Hello students, it's Teacher Steve and we're on maths today and we're doing lesson 2 in week 6. Okay, we're moving on to page 90, multiplication by a 2-digit number. Okay, last time we multiplied by a 1-digit number. Now we're going to multiply by a 2-digit number. Okay, here's an example. It says multiply 123 by 20. Okay, 123 multiply by 20. Okay, this when you have more than one digit, there are some things we need to do. Okay, let's do the first one. 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Okay, now we're going to multiply by the 2, which is in the tens place. So before we multiply, we need to put the 0 here. You must do that. If you don't put a 0, you will get the answer wrong. Okay? Multiplying by 10, you must put the 0 in that column, in the ones column. Now you can do it. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Now you add them together. Well, you can see what the answer is going to be. 0, 6, 4, 2. There's your answer. Okay? This is the most important thing. Putting the 0 there before you multiply by tens. Okay? Right. Here, they're using number discs, different methods, okay? But we still get the same answer. 123 times 20 is 2,460. Okay, let's move on. Here's that key word again, number 2. Find the product, which means multiply. Find the product of 412 and 40. It means you're going to multiply. Okay, let's do this one. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Right, same again. We're going to multiply by this 4 in the tens column. We need to put 0 here first. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Answer should be 16,000. Sorry, we're going to add those together next. Add them together. You know the answer will be here. If you're multiplying by a 0, the first row will be zeros. Add them together. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. Comma. 6. 1. Answer. 16,480. Okay. Right, let's move on. There are some more examples. We'll get onto some real, right, try this one. This is going to a little bit different. You don't have a 0 in this one. Number 4. Let's do this one. Number 4 on page 92. Okay? It says multiply 347 times 12. 347 multiplied by 12. Same method. Okay? You're going to have to carry some numbers, rename or regroup. Okay? 2 times 7 is 14. 4 down, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, going to multiply by the tens column now. Put your 0 here first. Multiplying by 1, that's easy. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Add those together to get your answer. 4. 9 and 7 is 16. 6 here, carry 1. 6 and 4 is 10, and 1 is 11. 1 down, carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Answer, 4,164. Okay, that's what we have here. Okay. And bottom of the page, 347 times 12 is 4,164. Same as my answer, so we must be doing it correctly. Check your answer with the book. Check your answer with me. If we've all got the same answers, we should be doing it correctly. Okay, let's move on to page 93, another example. Okay, we can do this one. It says, number 5, find the product. Number 5, find the product of 336. 336 multiplied. Okay, we need to know our tables for multiplication. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. Remember, put your 0 first before you multiply by the tens column. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we're going to add those together to get your answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. Answer, 10,800. Check that with the book. There's the answer, 10,800. Okay? So check your answers with the book and with my answers. Okay, let's go. There's more. Page 94. Okay, we can do this one as well. Number 6. Find the product of 28 times 245. Okay? Put the bigger number on the top, it's easier. 245 times 8. We need to know our 8 times table. Okay, let's do it. 8 times 5 is 40. 0 down, carry 4. Okay. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4 is 36. Carry 3. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Okay, remember, we're going to multiply by the 2 now. We need to put our 0 in the ones column. Okay, 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, 0 down, carry 1. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now we're going to add these together to get the answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 down, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 4 is 6. My answer, 6,860. Okay, here's the example in the book. 6,860 is the answer. So, we must be doing it correctly. Okay, right, we'll get to some examples for you to do. Okay, let's start here, students. Page 95. Do and learn. Okay, we have number 1, it says multiply. Okay, do these examples. Number 1A and B. Get your answers. C and D. And number 2, we have 10 to do. Okay, so get a piece of paper and do your working nice and clearly like I showed you. Okay, do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Okay, I know the book gives the answers here, so do your working, find your answer and check it with these answers. If you got the correct answer, you're doing it correctly. If you've made a mistake, do it again. Okay, students? Well done. That's a good lesson. Okay, I'll see you next time.